Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In my last video, somebody asked me if this deer come every single day, and yes, he does. Sometimes he comes middle of the night or at night time when everything is quiet. But actually, I was just lucky enough to walk into my former living area and I saw him and I was like, yes, I need to record this for you guys. So I always make sure that there is a seeds for birds as well as the deer, because as you can see, he comes anytime there. And today is actually totally washout day because it was raining entire day. In the morning it just didn't rain, so I went for a walk. But in this video I'm gonna share with you what I eat in a day, and these are the things I eat almost 3 to 4 days out of week. So my morning usually start around 6 o'clock, and it's all depend on the kids' lunch. If I need to make something that's require more time, then I'm down here by 5:30, if not almost by 6 o'clock. So here I'm making the water. I soak this water with the coriander seeds at night time, and it's really good for your body. It's detoxify, and I'm just gonna boil this water for about 5 to 10 minutes. So I took about 2 tablespoons coriander seeds, soak it in the 2 cups of water, and I boiled it for about 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna strain it, add a little bit of lemon juice in it as well as the honey in there, and first thing in the morning I drink this. So 1 week I drink this water, 1 week I drink cumin seeds water. So that video I have also shared before, but I can always make the second video and I can show you exactly how I make it and what I do. So here I'm gonna go ahead and just add a little bit of honey, mix it, and this is the first thing I consume in the morning right after I wake up. So as you can see in the back, my chai is already ready, but I'm not gonna drink that right now. So by this time now, my lunch is ready for both kids as well as my chai and the breakfast for my older son, because his school bus comes around 6:30, so he should be down any minute. And as you can see outside, it's still dark, and like I mentioned, it's gonna rain today entire day, so it's very cloudy and it's very cold morning. And this is how the morning looks like. As you can see, there's lots of clouds, and during this time when my son goes to school, until the bus doesn't come, I stay out here and I just walk here. And of course I had to give the seeds to my birds and the deer, so that's the first thing I do it in the morning when I come out. So their breakfast and lunch is ready. So as you can see now, the bus is leaving, so now I'm gonna go inside and get ready with my second son. So by 8 o'clock everybody's gone, so I'll come outside and have my tea. So the water that I drink, the coriander water, that was 6 in the morning, and now it's 8 o'clock. So now I'm gonna enjoy here, sit here, and it was cold, so I need my blanket. And I'm just gonna enjoy my tea, and then I will go for a walk. So before going for a walk, actually I had small baby banana, and now I'm gonna go for a walk, come home, I took a shower, and now I'm gonna prepare the juice for me. So for that, I'm taking the cucumber here, I peel the skin, as well as I'm taking the beet, I peel the skin from that one too. I will be using apple, ginger, coriander, lemon juice, as well as the carrot and the celery. So it's all depend on you, like what you like as well as what you have on hand. So whatever the fruits I have, whatever the vegetables I have, I just make sure that I make the juice out of it. So here I'm using the Breville Juicer, and I've been using this juicer from quite some time now. And so many of you also asked me when I did my 10 days detox about this juicer, so I would definitely highly recommend this. If you are someone who's starting with the juice detox, or if you are in the market of new juicer, then I'm gonna link it down below. It's really good price point, and it's a good juicer. So basically now I'm just gonna go ahead and make the juice out of all this, and I will be consuming this juice throughout the day. And they recommend that it's really good if you drink this juice and finish it within a 24 hours because it's a fresh juice, and you don't want to leave it in the refrigerator even for longer time. So I'll be sharing this juice also with my husband and kids, and if I need to make the fresh more juice, I can always make it. But this is what I do every single morning. I make the juice for me and then I drink it throughout the day. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and strain this juice first. To make this juice more healthier, I'm gonna add the aloe vera in there. Now if you have the aloe vera juice, you can always add that into this, but I like to keep the fresh one. So I'm gonna take the slimy part, the pulp out from it. It's very easy to do it. And before, actually, I used to eat this pulp just like that. I used to swallow it with the water, but that was not that easy. So now this is how I do it. I take the pulp out, add a little bit of the other juice that we made it into the blender, blend it properly so that way the aloe vera get mixed into the other juice properly also. So sometimes I add the wheatgrass powder also into this, so it's all depend on my mood and the time. But I always make sure that either I have the wheatgrass or the aloe vera in my juice, because wheatgrass also detoxify your body and it's a blood purifier too. So it kills so many illnesses. It's good for kids also. So if you're interested in this kind of raw vegan salads or juice or the smoothie recipe, let me know in the comment section and I can always make more videos about it. Because as I mentioned, I do eat this kind of food at least 3 to 4 days out of my week because I'm foodie. I love my food so much, and usually in the weekend we are out, we eat out, but I still love to take care of myself too. So I drink this kind of juices, try to keep it very simple in my diet, so of course I can splurge in the weekend but still it get balanced. Basically, you know, it's all about the balance, and I love this juice. I mean my body basically crave this kind of juices. When I don't drink it, I miss so much. And because it's so soothing, once you drink it you will realize that it's so soothing for your body. It just nourishes your body so much. And if you eat salad, how much things you can eat, because you know your body cannot consume that much food and you get tired of chewing actually. But by drinking this, it's goes straight to your bloodstream, and all the nutrition that your body needs, it's get it right away. So around 10:30 I had this juice and I drank about 2 cups 16 ounce. Around 12:30, 1 o'clock, I prepared the salad for me. So in this salad I have lettuce, green cabbage, purple cabbage, carrot, garbanzo beans, that is the chickpeas. Also on the side, as you can see, I do have sliced avocado and the boiled beet, because I love beet so much. I always keep it on hand, even sometimes when kids come home, they are hungry, they want really quick to eat. I just give them boiled beet, put some salt and pepper, and that's it. That tastes so good. So I'm just gonna squeeze a little bit of lemon juice, salt, black pepper, and that's it. That's gonna be my salad. So right after lunch, I had a car appointment, so I went to dealership to get the oil change in my car. So while I was there, I had few grapes as well as the apple. And today was just a busy day because I was running after kids with their activity. So I had my dinner around 7 o'clock. And this is the vegetable chili which I made a day before. So if you want to see the recipe for this, let me know. I can do the separate video. But basically in this one, all I have is different kind of beans like black beans, garbanzo beans, lots of garlic, onions, tomato, and I made this in the slow cooker, so it was cooking for about 7 hours and it tastes so good. So all I had is the avocado on the side, and yes, after dinner I had my green tea before I went to sleep. And throughout the day I was drinking water, lots of water, and I do have this 1 gallon of jug which I always try to finish it, and as you can see I still have a little bit left, but I'm sure I can finish it before I go to sleep. So friends, this is it. This all the things I ate it today, and thank you so much for watching. If you want to see this kind of more recipe, let me know in the comments below. I will do those kind of video. So I will see you guys soon in my next video. Bye.